Alright, so here's the gist. We got a little flyer about the UN goals with 5 specific goals to choose between. We chose Climate Change Initiative because the environment is the current hot topic. We thought hard for 2 weeks about what environmental problem we wanted to solve until we finally found the right idea. Trash. Yeah. With all of this we were able to begin for real. Waste is an issue no matter where you live. Mismanagement of waste alone contributes to 3.2% of greenhouse gas emissions, which is not a lot compared to the other emitters, but we wanted to make a change everyone could get on board with. Also, according to some Danish ads on TV, it fucks with the groundwater supply. And while some places are worse than others, when it comes to the sorting, the world will always benefit from less pollution. Which is why we chose to focus on Denmark, where we live. You see, Denmark already has a pretty big system in place for trash sorting throughout the country, which we chose to integrate into our game we're making. But who is the target group? Our research pointed towards kids, since they are more likely to learn from games. They are the next generation, and if they learn good climate habits, the future will look a little bit brighter. This led us to our final problem statement. How can a serious game help children in 2nd grade in the Danish elementary school become better at sorting waste? What we ended up with was a design that was colorful and simple. The game would have different levels and varying types of waste to sort. You sort the trash by swiping on the tablet. It's great for kids because most schools have them and they're indestructible. Now we had an actual game we could test, so we contacted different schools in the area, but then COVID came along and stopped that. This meant that we had to do our tests on our fellow study mates, which was called convenience sampling, because it was convenient. We conducted a semi-structured interview after letting the user play for 3 to 4 minutes, so that they could elaborate on their experiences. From this we didn't get any answers that could answer the final problem statement, but it did lead to a lot of clarification on what could be improved. Our results pointed to that the game was a bit hard for most, which likely means that it will be hard for children too. We also found that the sorting logos were mostly recognizable, but some of the objects might need a makeover. From all of this, we can conclude that this product is not ready to teach children about waste sorting just yet, but it definitely holds the potential. With more work and refining, it might be able to do what it was made for.